Hello everyone, welcome to our study channel, and today we will discuss about fractions for class 5 and 6. We'll discuss about fraction today, and for classes 5 and 6, the topic which are covered in class 5 and 6, we will discuss that. So firstly we should know that what is a fraction. So a fraction represent a part of a whole. It is written in PQ form. Let's take an example of a fraction. See, let's suppose that it is a chapati. It's a chapati. It's a whole chapati. So it is represented as a whole. It is represented as a whole chapati. So if we break the chapati into two pieces, so one chapati will like this. One chapati, first piece and the second piece. So fraction is what? It is a whole chapati. See, you can see it is a whole chapati. There it is a whole chapati, and we have done the two pieces parts of chapati and the two parts of chapati. So this is only a fraction. When we divide a part, when we make part of a whole fraction, this is whole chapati, we have made part. So 1 upon 2 will be the fraction of this chapati, because there is one roti, we will write one roti upside. And how much parts we have done? We have done it two parts, so we will write 2. So 1 upon 2 means, which is half roti, we have make its part, half roti part we have made it. So this was about fraction. Now we will firstly know what is numerator. Firstly we will know what is numerator. See, in fraction, what is a numerator? A numerator is a value. Let's take an example. Let's take any fraction 2 upon 3. The upside digit is 2, so 2 will be its numerator. What I have said, any fraction, see, 2 upon 3 is a fraction. Its upside value is 2, so 2 will be the numerator. So you will be thinking, then what is denominator? I have understood numerator. So denominator is a fraction, means let's take same example 2 upon 3. This was our numerator 2, upside digit. So the digit which is downside is known as denominator. Upside digit is numerator and downside digit is denominator. Now let's talk about what is a reciprocal. See, what is a reciprocal? Reciprocal of any number. In exam, mostly reciprocal is asked. That take such example 5 upon 6. This is a fraction, okay? So how to find its reciprocal? To find reciprocal of this number, we will simply exchange the digits of numerator and denominator. 6 is the denominator, so we will write 6 in numerator, and 5 is the numerator. We will write 5 in the denominator. So 6 upon 5 will be the reciprocal of 5 upon 6. Like this we will find the reciprocal. Now we will read the topic of types of fraction. Generally there are 6 types: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, and the last is unlike fraction. We will firstly know about proper fraction. So what is a proper fraction? A fraction where the numerator is the less than the denominator, then it is known as proper fraction. Like take example such as 3 upon 4. We have taken the example 3 upon 4. What happens in proper fraction? Numerator should be the less. 3 is the numerator, it should be less than the denominator. Yes, in this fraction numerator is 3 and it is less than denominator 4. So it is called proper fraction. Let's take another example. 6 upon 7. Is this a proper fraction? Yes, because numerator is less. 6 is less than 7. So these whole fractions are called proper fraction. Now let's move to the second type of fraction, which is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? A fraction where numerator is greater than the denominator is called proper fraction. Take example 6 upon 5. So improper fraction means numerator, in what proper fraction what we have done, numerator should be less. In improper, the opposite, which means denominator should be less in improper fraction. Like 6 upon 5, denominator is less, so it is improper fraction. Like take another example, 5 upon 2. 2 is the denominator and denominator is less than numerator. It is also improper. So these are the improper fractions. Now we will talk about mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is the combination of a natural number and fraction. So what is a mixed fraction? That take a mixed fraction 3 whole 4 upon 5. We read mixed fraction it is. So mixed fraction is the combination. See, what is a natural number? Natural numbers start from 1 to infinite. 1 to infinite. So in mixed fraction, natural number, let's suppose natural number is 3, and take any fractions like 6 upon 7. So if we combine them, if we add them, so it will be like mixed fraction 3 whole 6 upon 7. We will read like this. So these are the mixed fraction where natural number and a fraction mixed up. So these was the mixed fraction. Now let's move to the another type of fraction, which is like fraction. It is not properly visible, but look carefully. The group of fractions having the same denominators are called like fraction. See, what is a group of fraction? A group of fraction are 2 upon 6. Let's take an example. I am taking 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. These are the group of fraction. 3 fraction together is the group of fraction. Okay, group of fraction we have done. Now what is it saying? Group of fraction, yes, it is group of fraction having the same denominator. See, denominator is same in all the 3 type of fraction. 2 upon 6 denominator is 6, 3 upon 6 denominator is 6, 4 upon 6 denominator is 6. So group of fraction having same denominator 6, 6, 6 are called like fractions. So this group of fraction is a unlike fractions. So let's move to the unlike fraction. It is simply opposite of like fraction. Let's take group of fractions like 2 upon 7, 3 upon 8, and last we can take as 9 upon 4. This is a group of fraction. Yes, it is also saying that group of fractions. Then what is it saying after it? Having different denominator means the denominator of the group of fraction should be different. So 7, 8 and 9 are different, so they are unlike fraction. So 7, 8 and 4 are different denominator. They are also group of fraction. So group of fraction whose denominator are different are known as unlike fraction. So let's move to the next type of fraction. Sorry, this much for the type of fraction. Now we will know how to add the fractions. For adding fractions, let's take example. We have to add 2 upon 4 by 4 upon 6. To add, simply we have to find denominator of that, find LCM of denominator. Denominator of this fraction are 4 and 6. We will find the LCM of 4 and 6. So the LCM of 4 upon 6 is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 3 we will write as it is because 3 is not divided by 2, and 3 1s are 1 and 3 1s are 1. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. We will write LCM is 12, so we will write 12 in the denominator upon, see, addition 2 is in the numerator, so we will write numerator as it is, 2 we will write as it is. We will multiply by what? 4. 4 is how much times 12? 3 times. So we will multiply 2 by 3. Then what we have to do? Addition. We will write addition symbol. Then we will solve the next fraction. 4 is the numerator. We will write numerator as it is. Multiply by 6 is how much time? 12. 2 times. 4 multiplied by 2. Now we will solve it. 3 to the 6. 4 to the 8 upon 12. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 upon denominator we will write 12 as it is. So if we will cut in the lowest form, it will come 7 upon 6. So 7 upon 6 is the right answer of, so 7 upon 6 is the right answer of this addition. So this is how we do addition. Now we will talk about how to do subtraction. Simply find LCM of denominator 6 and 4, which is 12. 12 we will write in the denominator. 4 upon 6 is the first fraction. 4 is the numerator. We will write numerator as it is. And 6, how much time? 12? 2. Minus sign because we have to do subtraction. 2 we will write as it is because 2 is the numerator. And multiply by 4, how much time? 12? 3. 3. Do. Now we have to do 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6. And denominator 12 we will write as it is. So it will come 2 upon 12. We will find the lowest form, which is 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6 is the correct answer of this fraction. This is how we do subtraction. Now multiplication. Multiplication is more easy. Denominator is 8 and 2. We will multiply it. 8 to the 16. We will write 16 in denominator and 6 to the 12. Now we will make it into the lowest form. 6 to the and 8. Again we will cut 2 3s are 2 4. So 3 upon 4 is the right answer. Multiplication of fraction is simple. Then division of fractions. In division of fraction, what we have to do? The first fraction is 4 upon 7. We will always remain 4 up. We will always write 4 upon 7 as it is. First fraction is 4 upon 7. We will write 4 upon 7 as it is. We will write multiply instead of division. Now we will find reciprocal of the second fraction. So 5 upon 3 is the reciprocal of 3 upon 5. What we have done? First fraction is 4 upon 7. We will write as it is. We have written as it is. We will write multiply sign instead of divide. We have done multiply sign. Now 3 upon 5, the second fraction reciprocal we have to find, which is 5 upon 3. Now we will multiply 7 3 is 21 and 5 4 is 20. So the answer is 20 upon 21. This is how we divide the fractions. Last topic, which is convert mixed fraction into simple. This is a mixed fraction. For finding, we will multiply 8 by the 3, which is denominator. So 8 3 is 24. Then we will add 24 by 2. 24 plus 2 is 26 upon 3. Why I have written 3? Because 3 is the denominator. What we have done? Denominator is 3 here. 3 8s are 24. And 24 we have add by numerator, which is 2, which is 26 upon denominator is 3. We will write 3 as it is. So this is how we convert mixed fraction into simple fraction. So this much for fraction class. If you like this class, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, goodbye and take care.